And now, please welcome our lovely and energetic host, Miss Abby San Vicente, Jamie B, and Mr. Wow, Brooks Madula! Woo! Yeah! Hi guys! Everybody go! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Hi fans! Wow, ang dami! Yes! Ang saya! Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Diego Travieso con José Aguirre, ratan tan tan. Rico y sabroso.
Yes!
como toca.
Good evening, everyone! Welcome to a night in LA kung saan kayo ang bida!
La gente me señala, me apunta con el dedo, susurra a mis espaldas y a mí me importa un bledo. ¿Qué más me da si soy distinta a ellos? No soy de nadie, no tengo dueño. Yo sé que me critican, me consta que me odian, la envidia les corroe, mi vida les agobia. ¿Por qué será? Yo no tengo la culpa, mis circunstancias les insultan. Mi destino es el que yo decido, el que yo elijo para mí.
Ay, ay, ay!
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 Perfect! Ang galing! Talaga naman gusto ko yung energy ha. At syempre natutuwa ako dahil talaga namang blockbuster na naman tayo ngayong gabi. Palakpakan po ating mga sarili. Di ba? Ang ganda tignan, no? Ano ba tayo? Parang,
Polka dots, ano ba?
oo, parang New Year na yata.
Oo. De, para maganda ang pasok na swerte.
Yes! Di ba? Ang galing. In fairness ha, first time to magkaroon ng ganitong ano, no? Team.
Hello, hello, hello.
Ayan.
Hello, kakanta pa naman si Abby eh.
Kakanta pa naman ako. I exist. Ayan. Ayan, welcome na naman po sa A Night in LA kung saan punong-puno na naman tayo ng kasiyahan dahil nakita mo naman ang swerte-swerte natin ngayong polka
Oo.
dot. Feeling ko bagong taon.
Kaya nga eh. Para ma-refresh lang yung yung taon ngayon, di
Oo,
ba?
at saka hindi, talagang special tong gabi na to. Bakit? Biruin mo naman, andito, mga taga-lead and follow.
Yay!
Ay, asan na ako nagbibihis sa mga taga-lead and follow? Nandito rin, syempre, ang Dance Time Dance Family. Of
Hello!
course, Miss Irene Castillo. Ayan. At nandito rin yung mga taga-Dance Village. Ayan, Miss Melly Tamayo and friends. Diba?
At syempre, abay, acknowledge ko rin. Talaga naman, ang saya-saya. Kahapon lang, medyo nalasing ako. Of course, the TGIM! Grabe, ang saya.
Medyo lang nalasing
Medyo.
ka.
Ang dami,
Medyo lang.
Oo,
Oo.
ang dami mong pera kahapon eh.
Yes, nanalo ako for the first time. Diyos ko, pinag-aralan ko yun ng 4 years. Yung LCR games. Yung left, center, right.
Hello, ayan. Hihiyaw na lang ako. Malakas naman ang boses ko. Ayan, ano yung LCR?
Left, center, right.
Right.
Left, center, right.
Yung mag-ano ka ng dice. Tapos,
okay.
ang saya.
Talaga ba?
Sa halagang
Sali ako
$3, Diyos ko, ang tawa mo abot langit.
Bakit ang dami mong hawak na ano? Parang ang galing galing dun sa Weho.
Ako ang nanalo.
Congratulations!
First time.
Madula. At syempre nga, dahil punong-puno tayo ng kasiyahan ngayong gabi, ready na ba ang ating first performer? Wala pa?
Ready na ba siya? Andiyan na ba siya?
Wala pa. Okay. So dahil nga dyan, bago ang lahat, dahil nagre-ready pa ang ating first performer, re-remind ko lang po, next week po, wala po ang A Night in LA. Close po tayo. Dahil ano bang sineselebrate natin? Labor Day?
Memorial
Memorial.
Day.
Ano ang Labor Day?
Labor Day, nung nanganak ako kakase, July. Ay, hindi. Labor Day, September pala yun.
September ba yun?
Oo.
So, Memorial Day. So, ayan, may
Ayan.
pagkakataon po tayong lahat na mag-shopping para sa Memorial
Ay,
Day
naku,
weekend.
grabe.
Diba?
Sa medium ako, medium.
Medium.
Yes.
Oo. Ako po, ay, bago ang lahat, gusto ko nga po palang magpasalamat, Miss Madeleine Navarro.
Ah,
Dahil
Yeah.
napakagandang dakasuotan.
ganda, oo. Payat-payat.
Pwede ba?
And of course, speaking of Madeline Navarro, abay, June 3 po, Monday, birthday celebration po ni Madeline
Ay,
Navarro.
a-attend ako dyan.
At dahil nasabi mo na yan, dapat mamaya pa. Nasabi mo na yan. Okay po. On June 3 po, magkakaroon po tayo ng raffle courtesy po of Miss Nora Joy Kinney, ang ating
Exciting.
raffle. So ayan, June 3, we're inviting all of you guys to please attend Miss Madeleine Navarro. Miss Madeleine, tayo ka nga naman, Miss Madeleine,
Yeah.
dyan. Ayan.
Ayan.
Oh, ayan. Oo. At syempre pa, ini-invite ko po kayo on Wednesday sa Dance Time Dance Studio kasi we're gonna be celebrating again for the second time, Miss Janet. Janet's birthday sa
Wow.
Dance Time.
Grabe.
So lahat po kayo imbitado. Wednesday po,
Wednesday.
Dance Time Dance Studio. Ayan. Okay. Wala pa din.
Wala pa rin siya.
Okay. Pasalamatan muna natin mga nagdala ng pagkain.
Ay, sige.
Of course, abay, hindi po pwedeng hindi natin pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsor. Of course, The Roca Firm, thank you so much for the lechon. Palakpakan po natin. Ayan. At syempre, Tita Meli Tamayo for Kasaba Cake and Maha. Thank you so much, Tita. And thank you, Madam Erica Lumikid for the fruits and birthday cake. Thank you. And of course, Madam Tita Mary Maseda for the cookies. Maraming
Yes,
salamat
and
po.
Tita Alice versus Chang for the maharin na may latik. Ang sarap.
Yes. Thank you,
Si
Alice
Jerome ang
Persichan.
nagbuhat nun. O, ayun.
Ayan.
Maraming salamat po. Siyempre, nag-enjoy po kami sa mga pagkain. Napakasarap, di ba? At siyempre, wag natin kalimutan, The Roca Firm sa ating lechon.
Yes, of course.
Napakasarap.
Naumpisa ko. Una kong pinasalamatan, syempre.
Gano'n. Roca Firm, ang sarap ng lechon.
Ayan.
Okay, so this time naman, siyempre, sabi ko nga, nabuo tayo ngayon. Andiyan ang mga taga-lead and follow. Siyempre, happy birthday, Miss Erica. At dahil nga dyan, bibigyan tayo ng special dance number. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Miss Erica and partner, Edward.
It was a hot night. You could feel the tension in the air. I knew she was here, but we just hadn't met yet. And that's when I saw her in that dress. We began to move towards each other, hearts beating fast. We began to dance.
You know you have it. You take a moment, make it magic. Yeah, the way you move is so dramatic. I think I might make you a habit. Yeah. See all these faces, so many numbers on your wait list. You make me wanna make some changes. Drive me to drink, I'm drinking cases. Yeah. Every step you take, everyone ever knew ya. Say hallelujah. Whoa, because because when you go low and I get higher, when you move that slow, it lights my fire. I might be falling for you, I don't know. I think it might be what you came here for. Whoa, take a stick to the light and fly, leaving everybody broken hearted. God, it's a sign I'm so hot. The way you slide across the floor, I think you know that I'm only gonna beg for more. Every step you take, everyone having new you, sing hallelujah. Oh, because when you go low, I get higher. When you move that slow, it lights my fire. I might be falling for you, I don't know. I think it might be what you came here for. Whoa, stuck in this game you've started. Don't leave me broken hearted, 'cause I've got nothing left to lose. Whoa, because when you go low and I get higher, when you move that slow, it lights the way you slide across the floor. I think you know that I'm only gonna beg for more.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again on the dance floor, the birthday celebrant Erica Lumikid and friends.
Dame un beso, dame un beso, papachongo, papachongo. Dame un beso, dame un beso, papachongo, papachongo. Papachongo.
Ayan, usong-uso ngayon yung Erica and Friends, Lot and
Oo.
Friends, Jamie and Friends,
Abby and Friends.
Abby and Friends. Siyempre, magpapatalo ba naman ang Janet and Friends?
Aba.
Diba?
Uy.
So, this time naman, ang isa pang kagandahang nagsa-celebrate ng birthday for tonight. Let's give a big round of applause, Janet and Friends.
¿Cómo pudiese olvidar? Last night I dreamt of San Pedro, just like I'd never gone. I knew the song, the young girl with eyes like the desert. It all seems like yesterday, not far away. Tropical, the island breeze, all of nature wild
Jerome.
Napagod siya.
Napagod siya. Alam mo, Jerome, grabe grabe yung effort
Ang hirap.
mo.
Magpa-BP ka.
Oo.
Baka nahirapan eh.
Pawis na pawis.
Oo.
Goodness.
Nanlilimahid siya.
Oo. Well, maraming salamat po. At syempre, walang practice yon. Kanina
Oo.
lang pinractice.
Iba talaga mga professional dancers.
I know.
Another big round of applause for Janet and friends.
Ayan. Syempre, Miss Encar at si Miss Gigi.
Oh,
Ayan,
yes.
oo. At dahil nga, hindi nagpapakabog ang Brooks and Friends.
Ay, may
Ayan.
Brooks and Friends
May Brooks
din.
and Friends din.
Wow.
Syempre, ready na ba si Brooks?
Brooks and Friends, ready na? Ah, wala pa.
Wala pa.
Brooks and Friends,
Nasaan na siya? Oo.
we want Brooks.
Ready
We
na?
want Brooks.
Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a very big round of applause, Brooks and Friends.
Wala ba tayong palakpakan dyan? Ayan. Salamat po. Again, Brooks and Friends. Pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting pumapata sa mga halamat, mga bulaklak. Pagmasdan ang dilim, unti-unting bumabalo sa buong paligid tuwing umuulan. Kasabay ng ulan, bumubuhos ang iyong ganda. Kasabay rin ang hangin kumakanta. Maari bang huwag ka na, sa piling ko'y lumisan pa, hanggang ang hangit ulay tumila na. Buhos na ulang aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyab. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan, nagkapiling ka. Pagmasdan ang ulan, unti-unting tumitila. Ikaw rin nagpapaalam na. Maari bang minsan pa mahalkan ka't maituyan pa, sa tubig at ulan lamang ang saksi. Minsan pa ulang bumuhos ka, huwag nang tumigil pa. Hatid mo may bagyo, dalangin ito ng puso ko. Sumasamo, pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y umiiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka. Maari bang minsan pa mahalkan ka't maituyan ka, sa tubig at ulan lamang ang saksi. Buhat na ulan aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyab. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. natin, unahin natin ang ating The Roca Firm. Palakpakan po natin The Roca Firm. Nandyan lang po siya sa Facebook, nanonood siya. Yes, we have our branch here in Los Angeles and in Las Vegas dahil sa The Roca Firm. Siguradong maaasahan. Salamat din po sa ating napakasipag na social media master, Mr. Aaron Roberts. Salamat sa mga photos and videos that he is posting in our social media. Maraming salamat cinematographer natin at editor, Mr. James Castillo. Ayan po siya. Napakasipag din at sa ating mga photos and videos, DJ Roland Liboon sa ating music and lights. Bigyan po natin ng tip ang ating DJ. Napakasipag niyan. Thank you po. Ang ating backdrop din, di ba?
Oo, ang ganda ng backdrop natin. Kita mo
Ganda.
naman, courtesy of Sir Roland
Yes,
Libon.
para kang nasa outer space.
Diba?
Pag nagpapapicture. At saka yung mga backdrop natin sa likuran. Thank you very much. Ang ating, syempre, ang birthday celebrant natin na always preparing a very nice prayer for the night, Miss Janet Cruz. Thank you very much. Ang ating mga Kabida Boys for helping us out in our buffet tonight and dancing with all our guests tonight. Thank you very much. Miss Trinity Foliente, ang ating President of Filipino-American Community of Los Angeles. Thank you so much. Pasensya na, ang dami talaga nating pasasalamatan.
Oo.
Tuloy-tuloy din natin ang napakaganda naming outfit palagi ni Abby, Miss Tess Bolong.
Miss Tess Bolong na
Yes,
nagse-celebrate ngayon ng kanyang 1-month vacation sa
Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Bonggang-bongga. Salamat din sa ating non-stop supporter at napakamapagmahal na si Miss Nora Joy Kinney together with Mr. Lloyd Rain for their non-stop love and support for A Night in LA. Marami rin pong salamat kay Miss Joy Villavicencio. Thank you so much. Yes.
Aming contact lens.
Contact lens. Salamat din po sa ating Mint Dental, Miss
Edita Ignacio.
Ipakita ang ating Mint Dental Smile. 3, 2, 1.
Diba?
Yun.
Pagka talaga mga mangiting mint dental ka, nakaka-inspire
Opo,
ngumiti.
yes.
Diba?
And thank you rin po kay Miss Madeline Navarro. Salamat for your generosity sa mga outfit ni Abby at
Yes.
non-stop support for A Night in LA.
At syempre, welcome back, Miss Marisa Sugay.
Miss
Ayan.
Marisa Sugay, welcome
back po.
back.
Ayan, oo.
Yes, and I would like to give a shout out din sa aking mom and Mama Lilia. My mom and Mama Lilia from New Zealand. Thank you for coming tonight.
Okay, at dahil nga hindi matatapos ang gabing to kung wala tayo ang ating traditional
Ay,
dance.
syempre.
So, ladies and gentlemen, together with the birthday celebrant Miss Janet Cruz and Miss Erica Lumikid, let's give a big round of applause, Miss Jamie B.
Dahil naka-polka dots tayo lahat. She was afraid to come out of the locker. Come on, birthday celebrant. Could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. So afraid that somebody would see.
2, 3, 4, tell the people.
Birthday girls. She was an itsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, so in the locker she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell
Come
you
on.
more.
She was afraid to come out of the open, and so a blanket around when she wore. She was afraid to come out in the open, and then she sat bundled up in the store.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore.
It was an itsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, so in the blanket she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
Let's dance more! Now she's afraid to come out of the water, and I wonder when she would go. Now she's afraid to come out of the water, and at the poor little girl's turning point.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore.
It was an itsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. And itsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini, so in the water she wanted to stay.
From the locker to the
could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would see.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore.
It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the locker she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
She was afraid to come out in the open. She was a blanket as the wood wore. She was afraid to come out in the open, and so she sat bundled up in the shore.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore.
It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the blanket she wanted to stay.
2, 3, 4, stick around, we'll tell you more.
She was afraid to come out of the water, and I wonder what she gonna do. And she's afraid to come out of the water, and the political girls turning to be.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what
Sing
she
along! It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today. An itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. So in the water she wanted to stay.
From the locker to the blanket, from the blanket to the shore,
Cha cha cha!
from the shore to the water.
She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was as nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would see.
2, 3, 4, tell the people what she wore.
It was an itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini that she wore for the first time today.
Okay.
There you have it, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ayan, everybody sing along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish and blow your candle. Happy birthday sa ating napakagandang birthday celebrants.
Okay, since wala po tayong
Once I was lost and now I'm found. Then you turn my world around. When I need you, I call your name. 'Cause I never knew love like this before. Open my eyes. 'Cause I never knew love like this before. What a surprise. 'Cause I never knew love like this before. This feeling so deep inside of me, such a tender fantasy. You're the one I'm living for.
Yes, mga kabida, abay, welcome na naman sa isang napaka-espesyal na gabi. Siyempre, nandito pa rin tayo sa A Night in LA. Aba, eto Mga kabida, naku, napaka-special. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Siyempre, birthday celebration ng aming mga kaibigan na nandito. Napakaganda, mababait. Of course, Miss Janet and Miss Erica. Hello, welcome to Thank you. And thank you.
Ayan, welcome po sa A Night in LA. Miss Erica here. This is your first time celebrating your birthday here,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Pero, ayan, si Miss Erica sa lead and follow, tama po?
Yes.
Ay, si Miss Erica muna, kasi si Miss Janet dito, ano na to eh?
Pamilya.
Veteran na to ng A Night in LA.
Pamilya na yan eh.
Yes, pamilya to. Si Miss Erica, first time nag-celebrate dito sa A Night in LA. How do you feel celebrating your birthday here?
Very nice. I love it.
Love it?
Yeah.
So, sa isang taon ulit, magkikita-kita.
Every year na yan.
Nakita mo naman yung sinayaw nila, Miss Erica. Ini-interview ko siya kanina. They practiced it for 2 days.
Wow.
2 days, yeah.
At saka, congrats, napaka-elegante na.
Yes.
Pero ano ba naman mo?
Costume pa lang, parang pinaghandaan. Grabe.
Thank you. Thank
Next year, kasama na kami sa production para may damit din tayo.
Oo, nga pala, kasi yung kanilang mga partner, no? Ang ganda ng suot. Isama mo rin ako, ah.
Pwede na siya, may wig na po siya.
Thank you.
Ayan. So, si Miss Janet naman. Miss Janet, how long did you practice yung inyong performance?
Oh my God, just few minutes ago.
Wow.
Right?
Confident.
Diba?
Diba?
Actually, kanina pinorward lang sa Facebook group chat namin yung sayaw.
Yung sayaw.
Para practice. Ito ang gagaling naman nila.
Ibang klase. Hindi, dito talaga makikita sa A Night in LA, iba-ibang mga talent. Diba? Iba-ibang genre ng mga music at pagsasayaw. Kayo po ba, Miss Erica, anong paborito niyong sayaw?
2 steps.
Two steps.
Ako din, gusto ko 2 steps.
Parang relax lang, no?
Relax lang.
Pero yung music nakaka-ganyak, di ba?
Or salsa.
Salsa, yeah. Paborito mo yan.
Si Miss Janet, anong paborito sa Miss Janet?
Ay, alam na alam ko.
The most stressful dance.
Kung saan, hindi ko rin alam hanggang ngayon, sayawin. Argentine. Hirap ako dun.
Ako din naman, nag-aaral pa rin tayo ng Argentine hanggang ngayon. At marami pa rin ang hindi nakakaalam. Pero si Miss Janet talaga namang
Oo.
galing-galing na niya sa Argentine.
Kayo nga, Argentine. Ako nga, 2 steps di ko pa makuha.
Kaya mo naman, nakita mo naman ang birthday mo, nakita mo yung exhibition niya.
At salsa to eh.
Jamie,
Ang tumbling pa
I
na
know,
kasi.
right?
At saka, ito si Miss Janet, balita ko ha. Dumadayo pa to sa Pilipinas para umatin ng...
Sa Tango Adicto.
Grabe.
Diba?
Para mas matuto pa
Diba
siya.
next year,
Oh,
we're
yes!
gonna go?
Ay, oo nga po pala. Baka
Diba?
mamaya may sama natin si Miss
Oo,
Janet.
Yes.
kasama po kayo.
Night in LA.
Goes to the Philippines.
To
Yeah.
Manila.
So bago ang lahat, alamin muna natin ang something personal sa mga ating mga celebrant. Miss Erica, nagtatrabaho pa po ba tayo?
No, retired long time ago.
Ay, ang
Ano
sarap.
po ang trabaho bago nag-retire si Miss Erica?
Office work.
Office work. Ayan. So ngayon pong retired na si Miss Erica, ano po ang libangan natin bukod sa ballroom dancing?
Gardening, cooking.
Wow.
Wow.
Naku, masarap siguro magluto.
Punta nga tayo sa kanila.
Yeah.
Paki-announce po yung address. Ay, hindi naman po.
Nadayo kami.
Joke lang po.
Tapos ito naman, ito alam natin.
Oo.
Si Ma'am Janet. Ma'am Janet, teacher ka. Pakisabi naman sa ating mga manunood kung ano teacher ka ng ano.
Yeah, I've been into educational business for 21 years sa LAUSD.
Wow.
But long before that, I started sa NCBA and I was like 23 years old.
Wow.
And ngayon, ang taon ko is 100 divided by 2, the square root of 5. Bahala na kayo.
Alam, mahina ako sa mathematics.
Sayaw na lang tayo, di ba?
Pero ang pagkakaalam ko, English teacher ka.
Math.
Math!
Math.
Galing tayo.
Seventh.
Oo.
Seventh.
Kaya pala may ganun.
Alam mo kasi sabi nila yung
The
math.
power of,
Sabi nila yung math, bakit ba kasi binibigay nila sa atin yung problem nila?
diba? Kaya nga.
Di, pero palakpakan natin yung mga mathematics teachers natin na matyagang nagtuturo.
Taga saan naman po ang mga probinsya natin sa Pilipinas?
Ako from Pidig, Ilocos Norte.
Ayun.
Yan, batiin niyo po.
Bati po tayo.
Sabi po tayo sa lingwahe natin.
Oo, batiin niyo po.
Ilocano.
Yes.
Sige.
Yan, batiin niyo po.
Nakikita kayo sa YouTube.
Kumusta kayo amin dito, kababayan? This is Erica na nag-birthday dito sa
In LA.
Patla. Yeah, Patla Filipino community
Of Los Angeles.
of Los Angeles.
Naimbag na daw sa inyo nga amin. Sa inyo nga amin, adyo yung mga kababaryo ko dyan sa Nueva Ecija. Haan ko amot at sa oti Launa, iti Ilocano.
Ilocano.
Pero
Mali.
ang nanay ko is very fluent.
Kaya pala.
Ay, I can understand. Pero ano po, napintas niya Aldaw. Ngayon lang nakasama kasi ng Ilocano.
Pwede siya napigilan.
Diba? So si Miss Janet, taga saan tayo sa Pilipinas?
Ay, alae.
Ay,
Batanggen.
Ay, ang
What's your name, baga?
ay, ang Lanceta, ay magaling iyan.
Oh, may grabe.
Lahat alam niya eh. Oo.
Yeah.
Ayan. So, taga Batangas.
batiin mo naman.
Alae. How are you guys there, ga?
Oo nga, no?
Oo, ganon.
So, sa atin po, ang Batanggenyo, wala talaga kayong dialect.
No.
Walang dialect.
Pero meron silang punto.
Yung accent is
Oo,
something
accent. Sa Ilocos naman, taga doon si ex-president natin, di ba? Tama
Yeah,
ba?
President Marcos.
Marcos, ayan. So, gusto ko, hindi pa ako nakakarating na Ilocos, pero
At syempre yung anak ngayon ng presidente.
ay, oo, siguro.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Ayan.
So, ayan po. Any wish po sa ating kaarawan ngayon?
Miss Erica.
Pero yung dalawa pang boyfriend okay lang. So, yung mamaya na lang natin yung pag-usapan sa likod ng camera. Ayun. Pero kung okay lang sa inyo, pwede rin naman.
Birthday wish po.
Birthday wish that I can come back again next year for
Yes.
next birthday. Yeah.
God's will.
Siyempre, opo. Basta dancing pa more para mas
Yeah,
malakas.
that's my passion right now, dancing.
Tama. Yan.
Wala ka ho bang planong magpakasyon sa Pilipinas?
Oo, tama.
We are
January.
next year, yeah.
Yes,
Kita-kita
join
tayo
us sa
doon.
January.
With my family.
Okay.
Nice. Ang buong pamilya po ba nandun pa, dito na sa Amerika? O pero nauuwi pa po tayo sa Pilipinas?
Yeah, before COVID.
Before COVID.
Ngayon ang pagbabalik.
na rin halos.
Ang pagbabalik, ayan. Si Miss Janet naman po.
Janet, or peace, understanding, forgiveness, especially sa ballroom industry.
Ayun.
Para tayo nasa showbiz eh, no?
World peace
Para
daw, world
nandun
peace.
yung camaraderie.
Tama.
and, you know, continue dancing.
Yes.
As an ambassadress of a night in
Aha.
Oh, di ba? Parang
Yun.
Miss Beauty. Parang pang Miss You ang dating
And
ah.
I,
As an
thank you.
ambassadress of Miss
Oo.
You. Yeah. I'd like to thank and I wish everyone a world peace. And
Yun, no?
But anyway, oo. So ayan, kita mo naman, dahil din sa ballroom, nagkakasama-sama tayo. Eat and follow a night in LA. Hi, Sir Nixon nga pala. Kumusta po?
Yes, hello.
Hi, Nixon.
Hello, yes. Dahil dito sa Night in LA, lagi talaga tayong masaya. Yung mga talents na ipapakita, na isi-shoutout natin yung mga probinsya natin sa buong mundo.
Yes.
Dahil lahat yan napapanood dito sa A Night in LA sa YouTube. Thank you for watching at sa mga subscribers natin, thank you for always supporting us. Sa mga bago nating manonood, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button at ang ating bell para lagi kayong notified sa ating mga pinupost. Diba? May sound effect pa?
Yes.
Yan, masaya